Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. In case you are new to this channel, guys, please subscribe. This is Nakuru County. We are here. I did this video, I don't know, so many months ago, but so this is Nakuru. You see, it has been raining heavily. And I just want to show you around, guys, so that you see how Nakuru looks like. I don't even remember which day I did this video, but please, guys, subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share with your friends, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video. So Nakuru County, guys, it's a county in Kenya, and it's a county number 32 out of the 47 counties that we have here in Kenya. So let me just take you along with me, guys. So that you see how everything looks like here. So we are not at the main town. We're in a certain market here. Then we have the main stage, the next side. Because I was traveling, like I did not manage to do videos from the main town, but I've been doing so many amazing videos from Nakuru. A lot of them are in my channel, so maybe if you joined the channel today, guys, please, you can go and check my other videos from Nakuru. So enjoy the video, guys. So guys, this is like the main stage. Yes, you want to go to Nairobi, you want to go to Kisumu, Kericho, Kisii, you come to this side. So, and also we have some markets around. People are so busy. Even if it is raining, people are working so hard. You see that? guys, it was a very short video because I was traveling. I did not manage to go to the CBD. Yeah, this is around the stage, and I went to the market. Yeah, so let me just end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, and I will really appreciate. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Please support me. So thank you so much, guys, and bye bye.